This is not your ordinary table. This is actually an investment for your health and productivity. This is the TT Racing Titus X Smart Desk. Hi guys, ako nga pala again si James Afante, also known as Kuya James, and now James 2.0. So tara, pag-usapan natin to. Let's go! But before we talk about specs guys, let's talk about the brand itself muna. Kasi mahalaga na malaman natin guys kung saan sila nanggagaling. So, sino nga ba si TT Racing? Kung familiar ka na sa kanila or kung gamer ka, malamang kilala mo na sila sa isang bagay which is the ergonomic gaming chairs. Sila yung isa sa pinakaunang brand na nagdala ng high quality but at the same time affordable gaming chairs dito sa Southeast Asia. Started in Malaysia way back 2017. For years guys, ang naging obsession po nila ay i-perfect yung science ng tamang pag-upo. Paano ka mananatiling komportable at paano mo maalagaan yung likod mo at katawan mo kahit nakaupo ka ng maraming oras para magtrabaho at maglaro. But then, they realize something very important. Yung upuan, kalahati lang po yun ng kwento guys. You can have the best chair in the world pero kung yung lamesa mo ay luma at may iisang height lang, yung katawan mo pa rin yung magsasuffer. Your chair basically needs a partner. Kaya pumasok sila sa mundo ng smart desk. Ang goal nila guys ay simple lang, i-apply yung parehong philosophy guys ng ergonomics, quality at comfort na nagawa na po nila sa mga upuan nila to your desk. They're not actually just selling a desk. They want to sell you a complete ergonomic ecosystem. Isang buong sistema na aalagaan ka, sana all. So now that you know na ang TT Racing ay expert po when it comes to ergonomics, tignan naman natin guys kung paano nila ito mai-apply. Expertise na yan sa Titus X Smart Desk. So, TT Racing is an expert in terms of ergonomics. We know their philosophy. But before we even talk about the specs and features guys, may isa pang test na kailangan muna nating pagdaanan. Ang tanong, gaano ba to guys kadali o kahirap i-assemble? Kasi para sa akin, the build process says a lot about the quality of the product. Let's find out and let's build it. Okay, first impression guys, yung packaging, everything is well packed and organized. Bawat pyesa, nakasecure po siya through a foam. This is actually a good sign. It shows na iniisip nila kung paano darating ng maayos yung produkto sa'yo. Next, the instruction manual. Malinis, malinaw yung mga diagrams at madali po itong intindihin. Hindi ito parang yung code na kailangan mo pang i-decipher. Plus, lahat ng tornilyo at tools na kailangan mo kasama na po sa package which is actually very, very nice. So, we start with the frame at dito mo mararamdaman yung sinasabi kong quality. Yung bakal, mabigat. This is an industrial grade steel. Solid na solid. What I appreciate is that yung mga butas para sa tornilyo guys, lahat sakto. Wala pong parang mararamdaman mong sapilitan at hindi pantay. This is what I call a precision engineering. Now, we attach the motor. The connection is very, very straightforward. Plug and play lang.
And there you have it guys, the whole process only took me around 1 hour to build it from scratch alone and I can say, madali lang siyang gawin at ang pinaka-importante guys, nag-enjoy ako habang ginagawa ko siya. I can say guys, habang binibuild ko pa lang siya, nafe-feel mo na yung quality, everything just fits perfectly.
So, sa build quality pa lang guys, o pag-build guys ng Titus X Smart Desk, pasado na siya sa akin. And ngayon naman guys, pag-usapan naman natin kung ano ba mga kayang gawin guys ng Titus X Smart Desk. Unahin natin yung pinaka-importante, yung pag-angat at pagbaba. Paano ba nangyayari yan? Sa loob ng bakal na frame na to guys, may isang powerful electric motor. At isang pindot lang guys, kaya niyang i-adjust yung height ng lamesa mula from 76 cm to a standard height of 121 cm which is actually halos 4 feet po yun. So kahit gaano ka katangkad, makukuha mo yung tamang-tamang pwesto, nakaupo ka man or even nakatayo. At yung pag-adjust guys, dyan po pumapasok yung smart part ng lamesa na to. Meron siyang memory presets na pwede kang mag-save hanggang 3 pwesto. Halimbawa, yung perfect sitting height mo, yung perfect standing height mo, or even isa pa guys para sa pagbabasa. Isang pindot mo lang guys, kusa na po siyang pupunta guys sa nakasave na height. No more hula-hula. Next guys, yung tabletop mismo. Ito naman yung tinatawag nilang thermoform coated surface. In simple terms guys, super tibay neto and at the same time, water resistant at yung finish niya, isang magandang matte na ang sarap po guys sa kamay. At mapapansin mo guys, meron siyang ergonomic curve sa gitna, may dahilan dyan para mas komportable ang pwesto ng braso mo, especially pag nagta-type o naglalaro ka. At yung frame na bakal guys, it's an industrial grade steel. Kayang-kaya niya po magbuhat ng bigat na hanggang 80 kilograms. So wag ka mag-alala sa mga setup mo, kahit dalawang monitor pa yan or mabigat na PC, even may libro, magiging panatag ka. And finally, yung mga bonus features guys na nagpapakita kung gaano talaga nila pinag-isipan tong product na to. Meron siyang kasamang retractable mug holder para yung kape mo hindi na nakaharang at iwas tapon. Meron din siyang kasamang retractable headphone holder para pagkatapos mo, meron kang maayos na lalagyan ng headphones mo. Maliit na bagay pero actually yan yung nagpapaganda guys ng overall experience whenever using this Titus table. Pero kung gusto mo talagang i-maximize at i-level up yung Titus desk mo, meron din po silang mga additional accessories na pwede mong bilhin separately. So let's do also a quick rundown. Una guys, itong TT Racing DAX mat or DAX mat. This is actually a massive desk mat. Hindi lang to para sa mouse mo, kasyang-kasya din po guys dito guys yung buong keyboard mo at marami pang iba. It gives you a very smooth and consistent surface for your mouse at pinoprotektahan din po niya at the same time yung tabletop ng Titus Smart Desk mo. You can purchase this for around 1,999 pesos. Next, and for me, this is actually a must-have. This is the Titus Cable Organizer. Isa tong tray na kinakabit po sa ilalim ng Titus Smart Desk. Dito mo naman nilalagay lahat ng mga extension cord, yung mga extra cable mo, and ito rin po yung sekreto ng isang super clean, minimalist setup. No more cable spaghetti sa sahig guys. This is only for 1,399 pesos. At panghuli guys, kung palipat-lipat ka ng pwesto katulad ko po here sa studio or mahilig ka mag-rearrange over time, meron din po silang tinatawag na Pro Glide Desk Locking Caster. So ano ba yan? Basically, gulong lang naman to. Ito yung high quality guys na gulong na ipapalit mo sa standard paa or standard stopper guys ng desk mo. Sobrang dali lang iusog yung buong setup mo guys at meron pa pala yung lock. So pag nasa pwesto na, pwede mo siyang lock para hindi na siya gumagalaw, and this set is only available for 1,599 pesos. 4 wheels na po yun. So yan yung mga pwedeng side quest upgrades for your desk. A powerful motor, smart memory presets, very thoughtful features, and additional accessories. Now, paano nito babaguhin ang pang-araw-araw na work life mo? Let's talk about right now the actual experience. So itong desk na to guys, by the way, hindi ito actually first impression. I've been using this actually in my YouTube videos and for my personal work since last month. So safe to say guys, I was able to use it for a whole month now. And the biggest change for me, yung ability to switch from sitting to standing in just few seconds. Yung mga 3 PM na dati na inaantok ka na, isang pindot ko lang guys sa memory preset, tatayo ko and instantly mas gising na yung diwa ko. Mas alerto, yung pananakit ng likod at balikat ko from sitting all day, to be honest, sobrang nabawasan po siya. It's a small change in habit but it has a huge impact on your energy and focus throughout the day. At hindi lang ako yung naka-experience nito guys ha. In fact, I also got this same desk for my editors as well. Same lang. Large version which is the 1.8 meters ata to, and it's actually very big. Kaya at least 4 na tao when you buy the large one na same size na ginagamit ko right now. So hindi lang siya personal desk. It can instantly become a collaboration hub for your team. So the experience is not just about comfort. It's about having more energy, better focus, and a more flexible way to work whether you're working alone or with a team katulad ko. Hindi mo marirealize kung gaano kalaki yung masamang epekto ng isang simpleng desk sa'yo hanggat hindi mo nasusubukan ang isang smart one. So, you've heard the experience. You understand the benefits. Ngayon, kung na-convince ka na at handa ka na mag-upgrade, ang next question ay, anong Titus desk ang para sa'yo? Because hindi lang ito one size fits all you have choices. So, I will break it down for you. May 4 na size to. So, you can find the perfect fit for your space or your setup. Yung 1.2 meters, which is actually 120 centimeter naman siya, yun yung standard size na available neto. Perfect to kung ang setup mo ay parang isang laptop at isang monitor lang. Malinis at sapat na po yung space na to for you. Kung kailangan mo naman ng konting extra space, maybe for your PC tower on the desk, the 1.4 meter or 140 centimeter version is the sweet spot for most people. Pero kung power user ka na, mayroon kang multiple monitors at kailangan mo pa ng space para sa pagsusulat o sa mga ginagamit mo, then the 1.6 meter or 160 centimeter version is the one for you. Ito yung perfect size for the serious editor and serious streamers. At kung all out ka na talaga, kailangan mo ng isang massive Command Center. Meron silang 1.8 meter or 180 centimeter version na kasyang-kasya na po literally lahat ng gear na maiisip mo this 2025. Pangalawa, yung forma, which is basically yung tabletop finish guys ng Titus Smart Desk. Dito ka makakapili ng itsura na babagay sa aesthetic ng kwarto mo. Meron silang signature carbon fiber texture or they call it in their website Onyx na very modern, slick at medyo pang gamer ang datingan. Pero kung mas classic or minimalist ang taste mo, meron din silang clean solid white. They call it right now Howlite, isang all-time favorite. At meron din silang wood finish na sobrang ganda talaga, which is the oak and walnut na nagbibigay ng mas warm na pakiramdam sa mga space mo. At pangatlo yung kulay naman ng frame. Pati yung bakal na paa guys, pwede mong piliin kung anong gusto mong color. Either black ba yan para mas industrial yung datingan or yung white para sa mas malinis at minimalist na vibe. So yun yung ganda niya. You can mix and match guys kung ano yung gusto mo when it comes sa desk na to. Pwede kang kumuha ng large, wood finish tabletop na may white frame or isang standard size na carbon fiber na naka-black frame. You can build the perfect smart desk guys that is not just functional for your needs but also perfect for your personal style. Now that you know the experience and your choices, let's get to my final verdict. So my final verdict, after using it for a month, experiencing the build, understanding the specs, and seeing the options, sulit ba ang TT Racing Titus X Smart Desk? Para sa akin guys, it's actually a no-brainer yes. We invest so much in things that entertain us. It's time that we invest in something na mag-aalaga naman sa atin while we work. This is actually more than just a table. It's a foundation upgrade to your health, your focus, and your entire workflow. Kaya kung pagod ka na guys sa pananakit ng likod mo at gusto mo nang i-level up yung productivity mo at handa ka na mag-invest sa sarili mo, I have put the best deal with best prices link in the description down below. Your workspace is where you build your dreams. Make sure it's built to support you, not hold you back. Once again guys, I'm James Afante, also known as Kuya James, and now James Rip and O. Until our next review, peace out.